Welcome back. In this lesson, we're covering an intro to marketing. Marketing is very much confused with its close relative, sales. In fact, many people think they're one and the same, but they're not. They're both part of the same process, but each is a different step. Marketing is the activities you do that brings awareness to and sparks interest in your business. Sales is the activity that lead to the selling of products and services. Think of it this way. The journey of any potential customer or client is to attract, engage, and convert. You attract customers and clients to your business through marketing, which basically means you are making them aware of how your business can help them. Next, you engage them. This can be done by both marketing and sales. Your potential customer may engage with your business by reading your blog post, which is marketing, or reading the service page on your website, which is sales. Finally, you convert them from a potential customer into an actual customer. This is all sales. In this stage, you're likely to meet with them one-on-one and answer questions. Basically, you're making your final argument as to why they need your product or service. You're closing the sale. Let's dive deeper into marketing. There are two main marketing categories with various subcategories but underneath. The two mains are traditional marketing and digital or online marketing. Traditional marketing includes print advertising, public relations, product placement, and networking. Online marketing includes online advertising, blogging, email newsletters, and social media. Note that advertising is a subcategory of both. A successful business utilizes a variety of traditional and online marketing methods. So where does branding fit into this? Branding is separate from marketing and sales, but it serves as the foundation. Branding is your business's identity, and strong brand awareness is a part of marketing. Maintaining a good brand image helps you maintain your clients and customers, which is a part of sales. Before we end our intro to marketing, let's bust a few marketing misconceptions. Many business owners feel that in order for their marketing to be effective, they have to spend copious amounts of money on it. Not true. Most online marketing methods are free to do, and even certain traditional advertising methods cost nothing, such as networking and public relations in the form of press releases. Another misconception is that you have to invest hours a day for your marketing efforts to be effective. As 47% of small business owners run marketing entirely on their own, who has hours a day to market on top of actually running your business? Marketing has more to do with strategy than with time. The purpose of a marketing plan is to determine the most effective channels for reaching your target audience, meaning you don't have to spend hours hoping something works and that you don't have to be on every single social media platform. Finally, with the prevalence of social media, I see many business owners stress when they don't accumulate high likes, views, or go viral. All marketing takes time. In fact, it can take up to 7 times for someone to hear about your business before they even research you further. Don't worry, this course will show you how to easily nab that 7. In the next lesson, we'll cover what you should consider hiring versus doing yourself in terms of marketing and business. I'll see you there.